5. Tips to make your kidney healthy. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush toxins from your kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. 2. Balanced diet. Maintain a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while limiting salt intake. This supports proper kidney function and helps control blood pressure. 3. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activity to promote cardiovascular health, which indirectly benefits your kidneys by improving blood flow. 3. Control blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain the kidneys over time. Regular monitoring and management of blood pressure through a healthy lifestyle and, if necessary, medication are crucial for kidney health. 5. Limit alcohol and tobacco. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can contribute to kidney damage. Moderation or quitting these habits can positively impact kidney health. Avoid overuse of painkillers long-term or excessive use of certain pain relievers, like nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can negatively affect kidney function. Use them as directed and consult your doctor if you have concerns. Monitor protein intake. While protein is essential, excessive protein consumption may strain the kidneys. Do like and subscribe.